If you are looking for a plant that doesn't need any kind of fertilizer or any care, this is another flowering plant which attracts many birds. These are the firecracker plants which are very easy to grow, low care and low maintenance. One of the hardy plants, beginner gardeners plants, friends. If it is once touched the ground or else if it touches any parapet wall, it will grow like weeds. So this one plant also for you, if you are a beginner, just bring one stem from a nursery or from a friend of yours and you will see the amazing growth. This is such a plant that grows like weeds. If you can see how huge it is, I haven't given any fertilizer for ages. Some of the stems are touching the ground, and if I'm to show you, now look at this. See, another plant. There are not one, couple of plants. So likewise, you can grow them from a stem cutting. One stem cutting will bring you a millions of plants. So this is another such a hardy plant, such a beautiful flowering plant. They are like this. So friends, this attracts a lot of sunbirds to your garden. Have this one hardy plant also in your garden. Easy to grow, low care and low maintenance. So out of the series of hardy flowering plants, this I recommend for a beginner gardener.